Hey, I've been really impressed by GPT apps and how they can help non-engineers like me do things way beyond our technical know-how, like develop even applications and small technical solutions. So some of them that I've tried are ChatGPT, obviously was the kind of first one, and I've also tried Claude. Myself and my daughter have come up with some cool ideas for games. They don't always turn out great, but it's fun to play around with. And the built-in one in Notion, and I've heard about one called Replit. Haven't tried it, but I hear it's really good. I mean to try that. But today I did something with Copilot that I thought was pretty cool, which is to build a Spotify feature into a Google Sheet that's shared with a team. So anyway, I think that's worth showing people. So I'm going to show you. And if you're a non-technical person, such as myself, you could do this too. So I will give you a bit of context and then just kind of get straight into kind of showing you the feature. And then if you think that's interesting, then I will also go into a bit more detail about how we got it together. So basically I've got this a music team in church, and we wanted to compile a list of songs that we know together. And so yeah, anyway, I decided like, oh, maybe for people who are less savvy, it'd be good to put in kind of a more prominent button to clear the filters. And so found out that I could create a script that would run and do that for me. So for example, if I have, let's say, filtered by the composer, let's say I just clear all these and Rob and Mark, okay. And let's say I just leave it like that. If you've ever shared a spreadsheet with a group of people, you know, they're just those people who are not good spreadsheet citizens. Anyway, yeah, you can just click this button, it runs the script and it clears it. I thought that was kind of cool, even though it's simple. But then I started filling it out, and I filled out everything except for the link column because I realized this is going to take me a while. And I'm aware of this Spotify API that anybody can use. So I thought, I wonder if I give some explanation to Copilot, will it do that for me? So I did, went to Copilot, and there's the Copilot app, and I just kind of said, hey, I've got this sheet, 2 columns, song and composer, and I've written a script already. Can you show me how to code this feature where it'll get the link for me? So I'm just going to show you the feature now at this point. Basically, if you've got the song filled in, which you can see I've got here, and the composer or composers, and you don't need this one in there, but basically it's added this button in. You can see this at the top here, Spotify link, and then it's going to use an API call to Spotify, and I confirm that I want it to populate the link that it's getting into this cell. Running the script, and then again one more confirmation, and it does it. Finished. I think that's amazing. Now I can just click into this, open Spotify, and there's the song. Technology for Jesus. I think that's really great. So if that has you interested, and you want to know a little bit more, then stick around. But that's pretty much the feature. That's what it does. I think that's really fun. So the way that I did that was, as I said, I did none of the coding, but you just go to extensions at the top here and go to app scripts, and basically just create a script page and paste in whatever script it gives you. Now there's the one for the filter and there's the one for Spotify. I won't open that because it has things like client ID and client secret in there that I don't want people to see. But basically for the Spotify bit, that was also surprisingly easy. Just go to developer.spotify. It's free, right? And so then it takes only a minute or two to set it up. And then you go to your dashboard, create an app. Like it's literally like click a button, fill in a field kind of thing. And so I created this app called Link Finder, and I've integrated that with the script that's synced up with my sheet, and Bob's your uncle. There you go. Let's get another one. No more fishing around for links. So easy. And yeah, super duper. So yeah, very happy. Not really a social media platform poster, so I don't know if I'll put this anywhere. But if I do, and you're watching this and you're interested to hear more, let me know if you have any questions. I might maybe put some of the steps into maybe a GitHub page or something like that. But to be honest, when I think about it, there's not really any need. uh, as I said, this is not from any of my expertise. The GPT machine just did it for me. So yeah, sky's the limit. Technology for Christ.